welcome back. Let's create a border auto format. So have you ever wondered if you wanted to make this auto such that every time your users make entries in a certain column, your borders automatically border the area you want to. So how do you do that? Let's do it together. So select the whole data range you have, go to conditional formatting, select new rule. So I'm using Mac, but if you are using Windows, it is pretty much the same. Come to classic. In Windows, it will be direct. Look for use formulas to determine. So in my formula, I'm going to start from B4. So I will make sure that I'm not locking the rows, I'm locking only the column. What do I want? I want everything that is not equal to blank, which means every time there is an entry done, I should make sure that I get the format I want. So here I will come and customize the format. In my format, I want to select borders, this outline borders. So you can do any other formats you want, but let's do that for now. Okay, and here we go. So any time there is an update done, you must be getting the auto borders created automatically. That's it. So please go ahead and subscribe, and meet you in the next video.